Hello, my name is Aino Wangakori and I'm the program chair for GOTO Copenhagen and GOTO Aarhus 2012. And I am here with Brian LeRoux. Can you say a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, I'm Brian and I work at the PhoneGap project at Adobe Systems.
Okay, thank you very much. So the PhoneGap, was that because you were doing applications for phones and that got you started, or was it...
Well, it wasn't me specifically. It all started at Nitobi Software in Vancouver. And we were building mobile apps. At the time we were building BlackBerry applications because back in like 2007 that was the best phone. And then the iPhone came out and it hit like a ton of bricks, and we were really excited because we were web developers, and it was obviously an excellent device for that. If you remember, Steve Jobs also said, hey, you're going to build web apps, and we were like, cool. And then a year later he released the SDK and we were like, oh no, this is not what we wanted to do. But a couple of our guys, Rob and Brock, went down to Adobe of all places to an iOS hackathon, and they knew they could instantiate a web browser, but they didn't know if they could actually make that browser talk to the native code. And they managed to do it. And so that was cool. They came back to the office and they showed it to one of our other developers who just got that new G1, that brick, that Android, that huge thing.
Yeah.
And he's like, oh, I could do that. And so he built it for Android, and then one of our BlackBerry devs built it for BlackBerry. And then all of a sudden we were like, wait a second, this thing's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And other people started to think so too.
Yeah.
Well, that's really how it started. It was just a hack.
Yeah, that's how most good things start. With a hack, and then you see an idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what happened.
So what are you going to do after you're done with PhoneGap?
Gee, that's a good question. I don't know. The point of a project, or one of our sort of stated goals, is for it to cease to exist, and so we try and see what we implement end up in the standards process, which eventually ends up in browsers. Browsers aren't quite there yet, so I guess after PhoneGap's gone, I'll just be a web developer again, which is cool by me.
And then there'll be a hack and an idea, and we'll go somewhere else.
Maybe I'll write Dart. Who knows?
I think I'll say thank you now, Brian.
Okay, cool.